You guessed it, dinner again. And we've gotten dressed and we're getting ready to walk down to Frannie and Fox tonight. I think it's going to be fun. We had to postpone this one because of the rain, or what we thought was going to be rain a couple weeks back, so we're excited to go to this place and it'll be fun.
It's new. It's in the Hotel Emeline, close to the city market, kind of. And they're known kind of for their wood-fired specialties. They have a really pretty fireplace on their patio. I actually saw a picture the other day, or today, their fireplace was lit.
Oh, really? Jeez.
That would not be happening in Minnesota.
No. We would be pretending that we lit the fireplace, like with some sort of electric sort of looking fireplace, probably. But anyhow, we will check back in at a later time.
So cute out here. Pictures. Okay, so I got the Think Pink, which was rose, soda, something else. It's supposed to be light. And then Brian got the peach something.
Peach don't kill my vibe, I think is what it's called.
There you go. It's good.
Really good.
Really good.
Really
Peach
good.
vodka, I think that's what
Peach
it has.
vodka.
Yeah.
It has amaro in it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
And some bitters.
Nice.
Really good. Solid, I should say. Really solid.
So these are all of some sort of variety of olives. And something else maybe?
I think
don't know.
beans. Maybe romaine.
Maybe romaine salad. Crab fritters. I let Brian choose everything tonight, pretty much. I'm sure it'll all be good.
Win.
This is red shrimp. And we ordered a little focaccia bread to dip in our sauce because the sauce was so good. This focaccia I'm sure will be good, but our favorite is Chef Andrews from the Bungalow Club. That's the best
Easy.
focaccia. Yeah, no contest. And we got the Tellagio pizza with what is it? Burnt honey and I don't remember what else. I'm sorry guys. Do you remember? Okay, so this is brown butter gelato because we're kind of melting out here.
We need some.
Yes. So this is the lobby of the Hotel Emeline, where Frannie and the Fox is, and back there is the coffee shop clerks. Good evening. We're closing out our Frannie and the Fox video.
We've been magically transported back to Minnesota.
Yes. We kind of forgot to do that, I realized, as I was uploading it today. So, yeah. So what were your thoughts on dinner, Frannie and the Fox?
Frannie and the Fox was a lot of fun. It had a really nice patio, which we weren't actually going to sit on to start off with, but then when we got there, it was so nice out. We're like, let's see if they have a spot on the patio. So it was really nice. They have like a big fireplace out there, which was really cool. Not that you'd want to use it right now.
No.
It's really hot, but
It's July.
It was summer or late summer, fall, winter.
Yeah.
Perfect. Food was also, I thought, was really good. I had a nice, I think, a drink that had a peach in it. So that was fun. Oops.
You have to be on
Being
lead. We're walking our dog.
the peach drink was really good. It had actual slice of peach on top, and had a pretty decent bourbon. And then we had a bunch of appetizers. Like we did like a salad.
Kind of did a bunch of small plates.
Maybe romaine salad, which was. I'm trying to remember how the dressing was, but I remember it had lots of little crunchy bits.
I think it had bacon on it.
Oh, did it?
I think so.
And then we had this shrimp that was kind of in a cast iron, I think.
Yeah,
And
that
it was
really
kind of,
good.
it had a really smoky flavor. That was really amazing. As we've said many times before, the shrimp You gotta
Yeah.
get this. If you're ever in doubt, just get the shrimp. It's super good. I know that's super descriptive, but it's juicy and tasty,
Sweet.
and
Yeah.
it seemed like it was never overcooked. So
Right.
um,
We got the olives and the beans.
yeah, a lot of beans, like half beans and half olives. But
Yeah. It was good.
And then we got a pizza with burnt honey and tilapia.
Yeah, that was really good too.
That was good. And then gelato.
And crab fritters. We forgot
Oh,
about those.
yeah.
Those were really
The
good.
crab fritters were super good too. They're not kind of what you would expect. They had crab in the middle.
Yeah, it was like a round.
Yeah, but it was super delicious.
Those were really good. So everything was really good. And then, like you said, the brown butter gelato, which was probably I think my favorite thing.
Yeah.
Because it actually had bits of brown butter. It
You're
tasted
"Hmm,
like caramel.
What is this creamy thing? in
Yeah,
here?"
like
"Oh,
kind of
that's butter."
chewy.
Yeah.
It was really good. And our server was really sweet. I think she
Yeah,
was a
she's nice,
local college student probably. Oh, and we also got drinks. Oh, you said about your peach drink. I got a wine spritz. It was
Yeah.
really nice. It was really light. So that was good too. So yeah, it's in the Hotel Emeline. So it was good. We enjoyed it.
I would definitely recommend.
Yeah, we would recommend
It was
it.
good.
So, yeah, I don't know if we have anything else to say about it. So, but if you're in the downtown area, and it was a little hard to find a time to get there. It's kind of funny because the patio was not full.
But I think they get a little scared about weather.
Yeah, maybe
Because it's
in the
wide
summer.
open. Like if
Right.
it starts raining, you are gonna get soaked.
Yeah, there's not a lot of shelter.
But
So,
yeah, that's
so
good.
yeah, so it's good. So I think that's it for this evening. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for following along. And if you like the video,
Like and subscribe.
thanks.